जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Beautiful face Sitamma has, and beautiful hair Sitamma has. Such Sitamma is now being abducted by Ravanasura. Ravanasura on his way back to his Lanka Nagaram. And Sitamma continuously, constantly moving to tears. Sitamma's ornaments also making beautiful sound. Charanatu Nupuram Bhrashtam. One ornament of Sitamma's left leg that fell down on the floor. Ravanasura has taken Sitamma and traveling in the sky. While they are going like that, Sitamma's ornaments are falling down on the floor, on the earth. One of the beautiful ornament of Sitamma, when it is falling on the earth, it is looking like Nipatan Bhati Gangeva Gaganachyuta. As and how if Ganga Nadi, the sacred river Ganges, is falling from the sky to the earth, that is how this haram of ornament of Sitamma also looking like that when it is falling on the earth. All the birds together flying here and there. All the trees are moving here and there. With all of their reactions, they are saying like, "Oh Sitamma, you do not be scared." Like that it is sounding, the entire nature is responding positively to Sitamma. Flowers, all the flowers in the ponds losing their beautiness because Sitamma is being abducted, and also all those flowers and the fishes in the ponds, all of them together saying like, "Sitamma, you do not be scared." Like that they are also responding. And while Sitamma is taken by Ravanasura in the sky, all the wild animals like tigers, lions and all other animals, while holding Ravanasura's shade on the earth, they are chasing, thinking that they are chasing Ravanasura. To that extent they are feeling so much upset, and they are very much angry upon Ravana, and they are chasing by following the shade of Ravana. Chaya Anugaminaha. And all of other animals also moving to tears, and they are all saying that, "Sitamma, you do not be scared." And all the mountains, Vikrosanti Iva Parvataha, mountains moving to tears. All waterfalls moving to tears. All big huge hills. It is looking like they are holding their shoulders up and crying, "Sita, Sita," like that. Hriyamanantu Vaidehim Drishtva Dino Divakaraha. Even Surya also losing his light and brightness and feeling sad. And all the entities in that forest coming together as a group, and so many groups they formed, and they are all feeling like when such great Dharmatma Ramachandra Swami's wife Sitamma is abducted like this by Ravana. There is no dharmam, nasti dharmaha kutas satyam. There is no satyam, there is no dharmam. Everything is gone. There is no room for any kind of righteousness in this world. It looks like they are all feeling like that by looking at the scene. Sitamma is abducted by Ravana, and all the entities crying, saying that, "Sita, Sita." Like this, entire nature is responding to Sitamma positively. Ravanasura is taking away Sitamma. On the earth, there are so many animals like deers following Ravanasura's shadow and chasing Ravanasura and trying to protect Sitamma. Deers are looking at the same path in which in the sky Ravanasura is taking Sitamma away. After looking so long, Dina Mukharuruduhu, those deers and small animals, after constantly moving to tears, then even their vision also slowly getting pale. They were unable to even look at that path anymore, and with so much of fear, all those animals crying out of affection on Sitamma. Sitamma also looking at the earth repeatedly again and again, hoping that may Rama come and protect me. With that kind of hope, Sitamma from the sky looking down to the earth and screaming Rama, Lakshmana, Krosanti. She is again and again calling on and screaming for Rama and Lakshmana. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said. I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.